Hitting the mark with English idioms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of English idioms. We'll unravel the meaning behind the phrase, hit the mark, and how you can use it to spice up your English conversations. Hit the mark is an idiom that originally comes from archery. When an archer hits the mark, they've successfully hit the target. In everyday English, we use it to mean that someone has achieved a goal, been correct, or been exactly right about something. Let's look at hit the mark in action. When your guess about the weather is correct, you hit the mark when you said it would rain today. Achieving a goal at work, our sales team really hit the mark this quarter. While it's a versatile idiom, it's not suitable for every situation. For instance, it's less appropriate in very formal contexts or when talking about sensitive topics where the connotation of accuracy might seem out of place. Try to create your own sentences using hit the mark. Remember, practice is key in language learning, and using idioms can make your English sound more natural and fluent. And that's a wrap on hit the mark. Use this idiom to show that you know exactly what's going on or to acknowledge someone else's accurate actions or predictions. Happy learning, and see you in the next video where we'll decode more English idioms. Keep practicing, and you'll hit the mark with your English in no time.